A very good morning, my dear children. We're going to a new chapter. Let us see, children. What is the next one? Months of the year. Now, this month is which? Can you tell me? A new month. That is January. Now, in KG2, you have learned months of the year. Yes or no, children? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So we have already learned 12 months of the year. So now January, can you see here, children? First. January is first, February is second, March is third, April is fourth, 5th is May, 6th is June, 7th is July, 8th is August, September 9th, October 10th, November 11th, December 12th. So there are 12 months in a year. Now in this, children, can you see there are 4 seasons here. Autumn season here, winter, spring and summer. So we have different seasons, children. In winter season is the month of December. In this slide, we're going to learn about seasons and months. Now here we can see here, what is this here? Winter season, spring season, summer season and autumn season. In winter season, it is very cold. It is in the month of December, January, February. Spring season are in the month of March, April and May. In summer season, it is in the month of June, July and August. Autumn season, it is in the month of September, October and November. So in winter season, it is very cold, children. In spring season, the flowers bloom. In summer season, it is very hot. And in autumn season, are in the month of September, October and November. So see, children, it is divided. Winter season here, spring, summer and autumn. We're going to a new lesson, the calendar and the clock. Yes, in this picture what you can see here, children? You can see teacher and here so many children. Let us see why the children are sitting there. Do you come to school, children? Yes, we come to school to learn. So the teacher is saying, good morning, children. The children say, good morning, ma'am. Teacher. Now teacher is telling to the children, there will be a general knowledge quiz on the calendar next week. So the teacher is telling the children, there will be a general knowledge quiz on the calendar next week. So Arun is saying, oh ma'am, that will be difficult. So you see that boy is saying, madam, it will be very difficult for us to understand. So now let us see. Repeat after me, children. Teacher, good morning, children. Children, good morning, ma'am. So the children say, good morning, ma'am. Teacher, there will be a general knowledge quiz on the calendar next week. Arun, oh ma'am, that will be difficult. So you see, children, Arun just got up and said, oh ma'am, that will be very difficult. So now children, please put your finger. See how the children are so excited to learn so many things, you see. They're just looking at the teacher. See what the teacher is going to ask next. Children, please put your finger after each and every word that I read. Teacher, good morning, children. Children, good morning, ma'am. Teacher, there will be a general knowledge quiz on the calendar next week. Arun, oh ma'am, that will be difficult. Now the teacher is saying, Leela. Now Leela is saying, ma'am, I know there are 12 months in a year. Let's see what the next boy is saying. Dhiren is saying, no Leela, there are 10 months in a year. So what answer the teacher has given? Teacher saying, Darin, Leela is right. A year has 12 months. Does anyone know the names of the months? So Leela saying, Ma'am, I know there are 12 months in a year. Then Durain is saying, No, Leela, there are 10 months in a year. Then the teacher is just showing the action there. Teacher saying, Durain, Leela is right. A year has 12 months. Does anyone know the names of the months? So children, the back child who's sitting there, her name is Leela. The boy who's sitting here in front, his name is Durain. So Leela, ma'am, I know there are 12 months in a year. Durain, no Leela, there are 10 months in a year. Teacher, Durain, Leela is right. A year has 12 months. Does anyone know the names of the months? So children, as I'm reading, please put your finger after each and every word that I read. Leela, ma'am, I know there are 12 months in a year. Durain, no, Leela, there are 10 months in a year. Teacher, Durain, Leela is right. A year has 12 months. Does anyone know the names of the months? Now you see the children are so excited to know what is going to happen next. Children, no ma'am. Let's see what answer the children give. No ma'am. Then the teacher, all right, I'll say the names of the months and you repeat after me. Shall we start? Children says, yes ma'am. So the children also are very excited to know what is the next like. So you see the children, how they are excited. You see their eyes, how interested they are. You see, so nicely they are sitting and just watching and want to know what the teacher is going to do next. Children, please put your finger. Children, no ma'am. Teacher, all right. I'll say the names of the months and you repeat after me. Shall we start? Children, yes ma'am. Now the teacher is standing there and saying, so the teacher is saying, let's start. So they repeat after teacher. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So the children repeat after her. So madam says, very good. I am going to say some sentences. Repeat each sentence after me. Children, please put your finger. Teacher, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Children repeat after her. So children repeat after teacher. Very good, madam says. Very good. Now I am going to say some sentences. Repeat each sentence after me. Now in my previous slide, the first slide I showed you, January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. So the teacher is teaching them January is the first month of the year. So the children repeat after teacher. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. Children, please put your finger after each and every word that I read. January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. In the next one, again the children repeat after teacher. May. May is the fifth month of the year. June is the 6th month of the year. July is the 7th month of the year. August is the 8th month of the year. So the children repeat after teacher. So children, please put your finger after each and every word that I read. May is the 5th month of the year. June is the 6th month of the year. July is the 7th month of the year. August is the 8th month of the year. Repeat again after me, children. May is the 5th month of the year. June is the 6th month of the year. July is the 7th month of the year. August is the 8th month of the year. In the next one, let us see September. See how the children are so curious to know what is coming next. So you see how nicely they are sitting and just listening to what the teacher is saying. September is the 9th month of the year. October is the 10th month of the year. November is the 11th month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. So the teacher says, well done children, well done. Repeat after me children. September is the 9th month of the year. October is the 10th month of the year. November is the 11th month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. Well done. In the next one. So now madam is asking questions. Now Tushar, madam is saying, now Tushar, answer my questions. Now can you tell me how many days are there in January? So now let us see what Tushar is giving answer. So Tushar is saying 30 days ma'am. So what the teacher is saying? Teacher is saying, Tushar, the correct answer is 31 days. So what teacher asked? How many days are there in January? So what answer Tushar has given? Tushar said 30 days. So madam said, no Tushar, the correct answer is 31 days. Now children, let us say a rhyme together. Repeat after me. So the teacher says, say the rhyme together, and the teacher says, just repeat after me. So this boy's name is Tushar. So teacher is asking Tushar questions. Children, please put your finger. Now Tushar, answer my question. How many days are there in January? Tushar, 30 days ma'am. Teacher, Tushar, the correct answer is 31 days. Now children, let us say a rhyme together. Repeat after me. So now the children repeats. So the children repeat after madam. 30 days in September, April, June and November. So how many days are there in September? 30 days are there in September, April, June and November. All the rest, other than that, all the rest have 31 days, excepting February alone. This has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. So wasn't that fun children? So remember that children, 30 days are 30 days in, how many days, 30 days in September, April, June and November. So September, April, June and November have 30 days. In February, excepting February, February alone has 28 days clear. And then in each leap year it has and 29 in each leap year. Wasn't that fun children? So children said, yes ma'am, it was. Teacher, that's all for today. Children, thank you ma'am. So now repeat after me children. 30 days in September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 excepting February alone. This has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Wasn't that fun? Children, yes ma'am, it was. Teacher, that's all for today. Children, thank you, ma'am. Children, now please put your finger after each and every word that I read. 30 days in September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 excepting February alone. This has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Wasn't that fun? Children, yes ma'am, it was. Teacher, that's all for today. Children, thank you ma'am. Now we're going to learn about clock. Telling the time. What time is it? Can you tell me children what time is it now here? It is 3 o'clock. So now children you see here the long and. This is the long and this is the minute. This is the short hand. So you see the short hand there? Short hand? Yes, so short hand this is and this is the long hand. Now here, a quarter past, half past, a quarter to. So telling the time. So this is a clock. It has two hands, a short hand and the long hand. The short hand shows the hour. So remember that the short hand, this is the short hand. It shows the hour and the long hand shows the minutes. So remember children, the long hand shows the minutes and the short hand shows the hour. Like what time it is, the short hand. Now the small hand is on 3, so we can say the short hand, we say the short hand is the hour hand. So it tells us the time. That is, now can you tell me what time it is children? It is 3 o'clock. So now this side it is a quarter past, half past, a quarter to. So remember that children. This is a clock. It has two hands, a short hand and a long hand. So remember children, the short hand shows the hour, the long hand shows the minutes. Now look at the given pictures. Now can you tell me what time it is here? The short hand, can you see what time the short hand is? Can you see? Where is the short hand? It is now, so we can say it is 3 o'clock. Then here, the next one. Here, it is half past 3. Half past 3, that is, half past 3 means 3:30. Then, it is quarter past 5. A quarter here, this is given here. So, it is quarter. It is a quarter past 5. Quarter past 5 means 5:15. Here, it is a quarter to 6. It is a quarter to 6. That means 15 minutes more for 6. So you have to look at the long hand and the short hand. The short hand shows the hour. So remember that you look at the short hand and then you can tell what is the time. Now let's go to A Comprehension A1. Write T for true or F for false in the boxes. Now we have already seen in the slides, so it's easy for you to answer. The first one, there are 11 months in a year. Can you tell me how many months are there? 12 or 11? It is written here 11, so it is false. July has 31 days. Yes, so it is true. October is the 9th month of the year. False. May comes after April. True. February has 29 days in a leap year. We have already seen February has 29 days in a leap year. So it is true. Children, please put your finger after each and every word that I read. A, comprehension. A1, right. T for true or F for false in the boxes. There are 11 months in a year. False. July has 31 days. True. October is the ninth month of the year. False. May comes after April. True. February has 29 days in a leap year. A2. Complete the following chart. Number 1 is done for you. Already it's done for you. So we have to complete the following chart. We have to say the position. Already we have seen the position, children, in the slides, and number of days here. So January, the position of January is first. So how many days it has? 31. October 10th, 31 days. May 5th, 31 days. August 8th, 31 days. July 7th, 31 days. December 12th, 31 days. March 3rd, 31 days. June 6th, 30 days. February 2nd, 28 days. September 9th, 30 days. April 4th, 30 days. November 11th, 30 days. So now repeat after me, children. January 1st, number of days, how much it is? 31. October 10th, you have to say the position and write it there. 31 days. May 8th, 31. August 8th, 31. July 7th, 31. December 12th, 31. March 3rd, 31. June 6th, 30. February 2nd, 28. September 9th, 30. April 4th, 30. November 11th, 30. So remember that, children. We're going to the next one, B, vocabulary. Now here in this slide, children, we have to complete the following words. Write hot, cold, rainy, windy or snowy in front of each month. Now in January it's very cold. In February also it's very cold. But in the month of March, April, May and June, it is very hot. We've already seen in the previous slides the seasons, how it is. July it is rainy season. In August it is rainy. In September it is rainy. In October it is rainy. November and December are cold season. B2. Match the numbers in column A with the words in column B. Number 1 is done for you. So we have to match the numbers in column A with the words in column B. 1. 1 we say it as first. 9. 9 we say it as ninth. 7 we say it as seventh. 3 we say it as third. 5 we say it as fifth. 8 we say it as eighth. 2 we say it as second. 12 we say it as 12th. Now writing sentences. This is your everyday life, whatever you do. This is your daily routine. So write complete answers to the following questions to tell us what you do every day. Number 1 is done for you. Now your children, the first one, what time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up, children? So you have to say your daily routine every day, what do you do? So here, I get up at 7 in the morning. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 8 in the morning. What time do you have lunch? I have lunch at 1 in the afternoon. In the next one, what time do you come back from school? I come back from school at 2 in the afternoon. Next one, what time do you have milk and biscuits in the evening? What time do you have, children? I have milk and biscuits at 4 in the evening. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 at night. So this is your daily routine, children. D1. Draw the short and the long and to show the time. We have already seen children in the previous slides. So we have to show only we have to draw the short and the long hand. So here 1. It is 1 o'clock. So 1 we have to put. See the short hand is on 1 and the big hand is on 12. So it is 1 o'clock. The next one, it is 4:30. So you see it is 4:30 there. So we call it as 4:30. In the next one, third one, it is a 10:15. 10:15 means 10:15. The next one, it is a 9:15. It is a 9:15. So both the hands are on 9. So it is 9:15. D2. Sounds of English. Say the following words after your teacher. Words: boil, voice, coin, boy, join, point, toy, noise, pairs of words. Let's go to D2. Sounds of English. Say the following words after your teacher. Words: boil, voice, coin, boy, join, point, toy, noise. And the second one below here, pairs of words. That is all, oil, corn, coin, tour, toy, ball, boil. Now in this, children, the slides are over. Question and lesson is over, children. So you have to learn question and answers and all the exercises of the lesson. The lesson is over, children. Learn question and answers and all the exercises of the lesson. Thank you, dear children. Till then, take care.